What's up, guys? I decided to put this display to make it my own personal Bath and Body Works, guys. It's pretty much all the products that I have currently, and I just wanted to let y'all know how each one smell, just in case it's still available to purchase, and you was kind of like, hey, I wonder how this product smell, because I would love to know. And I know everybody scent, smell, nose, whatever is different, and of course when you place it on your body, it's different as well. So just do you still, my advice would to be go to the actual store and smell these items, but sometimes that's not always available. So here we go, guys. So the first item is this cotton candy clouds body cream that I have recently just purchased, and y'all, I love it. To me, it do smell like cotton candy, and it's not too overpowering. My preferred scent fragrance is very light, but more on the sweet, cakey side, and candy. I guess that's my preference, but it's still got to be very, very light. And to me, this hits all the notes that I like. So it's the cotton candy clouds, and to me, it do smell like cotton candy. All right, this is a popular scent. Of course, champagne toast. I love this scent. This is my go-to scent, and to me, far as I know, is at the store season. It's not no seasonal scent, so you can find it all the time. And it's also more leaning towards the sweet scent. It's not cakey at all, but just more candy. Still like a candy, fresh scent, if y'all are seeking that. Okay, I also have some candles. Now, y'all, I love this scent sugared lemon zest candle, y'all. It smells so good to me. It's not that heavy, so it's not. I light it in my living room, and it get that, the scent stays within that area, confined area. It do not go throughout my whole house. That's the only downfall. So it's not the most strongest of a scent, but I still like the fragrance nonetheless. But if you're looking for something to get your whole house together, this may not be it. But if you're able to, like, say, your own home outfits or whatever, yeah, I would most definitely get this scent. Now, I have not tested this one out, but just smelling it through the container, I have not, set it on fire. I have not lit this candle yet, but I love the light scent. So I'm hoping this is a stronger candle, but it gives more of like a cakey fragrance. Well, I really don't smell that much coffee in this, and even though it's called whipped coffee, it's more of a creamery, sweet, cakey scent, in my opinion. So we'll see how it do once I set that bad boy on fire or light it. Yeah, this is another oldie but goodie for me. It's that lemon scent, but it's stronger than that sugar lemon zest that I just showed you guys. But I really like it, even though I have not lit this one either. But this scent, I love it. I have it in the spray can, and of course the plug-ins too. So I'm hoping this candle will deliver just like those two items. But this is one of my go-to scents. I love it. Okay, this lotion, raspberry tangerine body cream. Oh my god, y'all, it's sweet, but you could smell the citrus in it. So to me, the sweetness is of course more overpowering, but the citrus as well as that raspberry to me brings it all together and gives it that nice crisp fresh scent still. So that's raspberry tangerine, and then you have watermelon lemonade, y'all. The watermelon to me is stronger than the lemon scent. I really don't recall smelling a lemon scent, so I guess maybe a watermelon with a touch of citrus. But lemon, no. Maybe I have to wear it again just to test that out. But the watermelon for sure. And it's still sweet, but it's to me light enough. So the cream of the lotion comes through, and I feel it's not too overpowering if you don't like that heavy scent. But that watermelon to me is the key note in this particular scent. And then my last candle is this hot cocoa cream. Once again, I have not lit it yet, so I don't know how strong the fragrance will be once it's lit. But the smell, I love chocolate scents. And this smell gets me all the way together. Just smelling it brings the calmness in my life that I need. So, of course, you see it's Christmassy winter scent. I don't know if they're going to bring it back. But if they do, I will highly suggest y'all picking up 1, 2, 3, or 4. Ha! So that is my little, what is it called, y'all? Bath and Body Works. I don't know what I said at the beginning of the video because I always confuse Bath and Body Works with Bath Body Beyond, whatever that dang one called. So y'all see what it is. I ain't finna trip, and y'all saw the title of the video. So Bath and Body Works, guys. My own personal Bath and Body Works at my house. And I do use my lotions. That's why I have so many. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank y'all, as always, for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.